Whispers of legends, echoes of fairy tales, and the ripples of history converge at one majestic location, the Neuschwanstein Castle. A structure so grand, it would make even the most hardened cynic believe in magic. Perched high in the Bavarian Alps of Germany, this architectural marvel was the brainchild of Ludwig II of Bavaria, a king as enigmatic as the castle he commissioned. Built during the late 19th century, Neuschwanstein Castle was Ludwig's refuge, a fantastical escape from the throes of reality into the pages of romantic literature. Neuschwanstein Castle boasts more than 200 rooms, yet only 15 of these rooms and halls were finished before Ludwig's untimely demise. Each room intricately designed, showcasing the king's love for music and dramatic art. From the Singers' Hall, inspired by the legendary tales of King Arthur, to the Throne Hall, a room that, ironically, lacks a throne. Every corner of this castle tells a story, a glimpse into the mind of its creator. Despite its grandeur, Neuschwanstein Castle was not built for royal court affairs. It was a solitary sanctuary for a king known as the Swan King, a refuge where he could immerse himself in the world of Wagnerian operas. It's this solitude that imbues the castle with an air of mystery and intrigue. Today, this fairy tale castle attracts over 1.5 million tourists each year. Each visitor, whether a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or a dreamer, is drawn to the castle's enchanting allure, the blending of reality and fantasy that makes Neuschwanstein Castle a marvel unlike any other. The castle's stunning architecture, coupled with the panoramic view of the surrounding alpine foothills, creates a spectacle that transcends the ordinary. Every season bestows a different charm to the castle, from the vibrant blossoms of spring to the snow-capped peaks of winter. So why not delve into the world of Ludwig II? Discover the castle's secrets, walk through its halls, and let the whispers of history guide you. Experience the magic of Neuschwanstein Castle, an enchanting journey that blends the past with the present, reality with fantasy. Because at Neuschwanstein Castle, every stone holds a story, every room holds a secret, and every visit holds a memory waiting to be made. Remember, the world is a book, and those who don't travel read only a page. So turn the page and let the story of Neuschwanstein Castle unfold. It's more than just a visit. It's an experience, a journey through time, a fairy tale waiting to be lived.